Hello, my name is James Collins. Sales funnels provide the structure, strategy, and process to guide potential buyers through the customer journey to eventually make a purchase. They are a must-have for any business, whether online or offline, that wants to maximize revenue. Let us first understand what exactly is a sales funnel. Put simply, it is the buyer's journey that takes them from initial awareness of your product or service to eventually becoming a customer. The sales funnel provides a framework to attract and qualify leads, nurture them, and finally motivate them to buy from you. An effective sales funnel has three core stages: the top, middle, and bottom. The top of the funnel focuses on driving relevant traffic and capturing leads. This is done through tactics like search engine optimization, paid advertising, and social media marketing. Landing pages, free giveaways, and lead magnets help capture contact information of potential buyers. The middle of the funnel is all about lead nurturing and education. Here you provide valuable content like blogs, ebooks, webinars to build trust and credibility. The goal is to qualify leads by understanding their pain points and how your offering can solve them. Email sequences, sales pages, and product demos are common tactics. Finally, the bottom of the funnel is where leads is met into customers. The focus now is on motivating buyers and leading them to the checkout page. Price incentives, special deals, guarantees offered to encourage purchases, testimonials, reviews, and case studies provide social proof. Creating an effective sales funnel requires in-depth audience research, testing, and optimization. You need to intimately understand your target customer, their challenges, objections, and triggers. A data-driven approach of constant testing and iteration will help improve conversion rates. Automation and integration are key to scale your sales process. While sales funnels provide a framework, success comes down to execution. Compelling copy, stunning visuals, clear calls to action, and seamless user experience are crucial. A holistic perspective that puts your customer at the heart of everything you do is a must. Sales funnels are living and breathing organisms that need to be constantly optimized as per changing business environments. As entrepreneurs, we must be agile and adaptable in improving our funnels using latest technologies, tools, and platforms. In closing, sales funnels are indeed magical in their ability to methodically turn interest into sales. If we can get the fundamentals right by deeply knowing our customers, providing real value, and delivering an incredible experience, success shall follow.